Welcome to 7boats Academy. Today we will discuss about what is called e-commerce SEO. Now for e-commerce SEO, whatever we have learned in earlier modules regarding SEO, we have to apply all those things as per our best possible way. But there are certain additional points you have to take care while you are working for an e-commerce website. So I am discussing those points today. So take example of flipkart.com here. So the first thing that for e-commerce website, since we are using mostly the images, so the page speed, page loading speed and mobile responsiveness is very important. This is number one point. Second one is, if we are using mostly images and the product price, so the text to HTML ratio is quite low for e-commerce website. So we recommend a placeholder for some kind of content on the home page. Now if you see on Flipkart, so Flipkart has written this additional content on their homepage. Now you see this online shopping India, so they have used the keywords in this placeholder text. So this is very essential for your e-commerce SEO. So this is your second point. So first is page speed, second one is the placeholder on homepage for keyword rich additional content. It should be unique. The third point is that you should also include your multiple locations and categories if possible on the homepage area. Now another thing is that if you see the menu structure here, so this is called the mega menu. So they have differentiated with mobiles, and under mobiles there are different other categories here. So you see the tablets, then you see Motorola. If you click on Motorola, then you can see the page along with all Motorola examples. So these are called the landing pages. So you have to create mega menu structure with all your categories upfront, and also you have to create your proper landing pages. The most importantly, another thing is that you have to, as per your best possible effort, you can try to create the permalink URL as static. So if we go to mobiles, so you can see Flipkart, they are using mostly the static nature of URLs. So you see this is mobiles. So at least they have tried to use a static structure. We are leaving this question mark, this dynamic part, but leaving this dynamic part behind, you can see this is a static structure. So they have tried to put the URL in a SEO friendly way. Now another point to remember here, so if you go to any kind of any product page, say for Lenovo, so Lenovo P1 form, now you see it's a separate micro landing page. So Lenovo P1, Lenovo K3 Note, Lenovo A600 Plus. So you can see different landing pages here. And say for example we go to t-shirts. Now you see the top brand offers. So you see, say Jovi, we can select Jovi, and now you see how they have categorized this: men hyphen clothing, then t-shirts. So this is sort of permalink URL in a SEO friendly way. They have created this. Now there is another part is that whenever we are browsing a particular product and with different sizes, different colors, so basically the sorting, you see the sorting sort of things. You see search by brand and price. So this is called the e-commerce sorting things and searching things. So this would give you basically the same products but in a different URL format as per your choice. So these are called the redundant pages. So there is no need to index this kind of pages. Only you have to index the particular specific product and the category page. For that reason, you have to either use canonical tag or you have to no index this from your robots.txt. Now if you check with Flipkart's robots.txt, you can easily understand how they have done it. So you see how they have disallowed dynamic, how they have disallowed search ID, how they have disallowed the search ID pages, how they have disallowed the search pages, now how they have disallowed the affiliate ID, then rating, then layout. These are all kind of dynamic pages that are generated from the same category and product pages. So they have all disallowed it for the benefit of search engine optimization, so that there is no duplicate content and duplicate penalty, and their SEO is intact. So you have to create this way the robots.txt for e-commerce SEO sites. Now if you check here, they have used the breadcrumbs very clean in a prominent way. So breadcrumb is also a very effective thing for your e-commerce section. Now if we click on any kind of product, now you see in e-commerce product page, so you see the product descriptions here. So you have to write product descriptions, the technical and the other features, in a prominent way. This should act as a content for your page. And also you have to bring more and more reviews for a specific product. These reviews would give you the keyword mileage, and it would help you in SEO. Now the next point is, for every product, under every product you have to provide the recommended other products here. So that would give the interlinking structure, so that people can browse more and more on your different pages, and the bounce rate would be decreased, so that people would not leave your website, and the time on site will increase. That would also helpful for SEO, that is a ranking parameter. So these are the most important thing to consider while you are doing e-commerce SEO. Thank you.